Genesis chapter 21. The sun rose over the tents of Abraham, but this was no ordinary day. It was the day the impossible became reality. Sarah, long past the age of childbearing, held in her arms the son God has promised, Isaac. Her heart overflowed with joy and disbelief all at once. God has made me laugh, she said, her voice trembling with tears, and everyone who hears will laugh with me. Abraham, now 100 years old, gazed at the boy with awe. This was the child of promise. Years passed, and the day came when Isaac was weaned. A great feast was prepared, music, laughter, the smell of roasted meat filling the air. But amid the joy, Sarah's eyes narrowed. She saw Ishmael, the son of Hagar, mocking young Isaac. A shadow fell over her heart. She turned to Abraham with urgency. "Send that slave woman and her son away. The boy will never share in the inheritance with my son Isaac." Abraham's heart ached. Ishmael was his flesh and blood, but in the stillness of the night, God spoke, "Do not be distressed. Do as Sarah says, for it is through Isaac that your offspring will be reckoned. But I will make Ishmael into a great nation also." At dawn, Abraham placed bread and water into Hagar's hands and watched as she and Ishmael disappeared into the wilderness. The sun beat down, the water ran dry, and the hope faded. In desperation, Hagar placed her son under a bush, unable to watch him die. She fell to the ground weeping. But heaven heard. The cry of the boy reached the ears of God. An angel's voice pierced the silence. "Do not be afraid, Hagar. God has heard the boy where he is. Lift him up, for I will make him into a great nation." And then her eyes were opened. There, a well of water shimmered in the heat. She filled the skin, gave the boy a drink, and life returned. Ishmael grew strong, a skilled archer in the desert of Paran, his destiny secure. Time passed, and the king Abimelech came to Abraham. "God is with you in all that you do," he said. "Let us swear an oath, peace between us and our children forever." They made a covenant at a place Abraham called Beersheba, the well of the oath, and there, beneath the shade of a tamarisk tree, Abraham lifted his voice and called on the name of the Lord, the eternal God. Through joy and heartbreak, promises kept and lives restored. Genesis 21 thunders the truth: when God speaks, nothing can stand in the way.